Hey, I'm Natalia. It's a beautiful day in New York, and today I'm going to show you how to make this basic hoodie. So you're going to need sweatshirt fabric, rib knit, a sewing machine, overlock, thread, scissors, basics. Step 1, cut your pieces out. So you'll need to cut one front, one back, one pocket, 2 sleeves, 4 hoods, 2 cuffs, and 1 waistband. Sorry about the white on white. It gets better, I promise. So first up, you're going to serge the edges of the pocket, and then you're going to fold back the pocket edges 5/8 of an inch and sew 2 rows of top stitching 1/4 inch away from each other. Don't forget to stretch your fabric a little bit while you're sewing the straight stitch. If you don't stretch, then the stitches will pop. So next, you're going to center the pocket on the front body and edge stitch. Afterwards, I do a little reinforcement just to, stabilize. Then you're going to fold 3/4 of an inch back and edge stitch at the very end. You just use a regular foot for this. Then you will serge the shoulders and serge the side seams. By the way, serge and overlock is the same thing. So you're going to fold the sleeve in half and serge. Flip the sleeve inside out. And now you will pin the right side of the sleeve to the body and make sure the seams match. It's pretty essential. So now you're going to serge the sleeve to the body. The next step, you will fold the cuff in half and stitch 1/4 inch seam allowance. After that, you take your cuff and you will press the seam flat and fold the cuff in half, and this will give you like a really nice clean finish. So it should look something like this. Cute. So now you will attach the cuff and stretch it while you're serging. Just sew all around. Cuffs are in, so exciting, cute. Love that. Make sure the seams match. So then you're gonna repeat this step for the waistband. After you have the waistband, you can press the seam allowance up and top stitch 1/4 inch. Now you're going to place the hood pieces right sides together and serge on the curved edge. So it should look something like this. Then you're going to flip the hood and pin the right sides together. Make sure the seams match. So it should look something like this. Right sides are together and you will serge those pieces together. Afterwards, give it a little bit of a press. I'm just kind of zhuzhing it. Afterwards, I'm going to stitch 3/4 of an inch. Then I'm going to attach the hood to the neckline starting at the center back, and I'm going to overlap at the front about 3/4 of an inch, and I just serge it all together. So that's my final hoodie. Really simple, really basic. I feel like once you know the basic pattern, you can go ahead and adjust it. Screen print, you can change the silhouette, the fabric weight, add in drawstrings, whatever you want to do. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you'd like to buy the pattern from me, just follow me on Instagram, DM me, Venmo me, and I'll mail you a pattern so you can follow along with this.